Let's see if we can do a little magic trick here. 1, 2, ready. What do y'all think about that? Guess what? I got me a chopper. Well, my husband does anyway. I'm just gonna fix it up. Found a great deal on it, and wants me to get it running. It needs a new battery and oil change. The gas has been in there for a long time. Hadn't been running a while. I'm not sure how long. This is a 2009 ThunderMountain Spitfire. And yeah, let's give it a good once over, clean it up, make it nice and shiny, and I think that's probably all I'll have to do to it. But let me go ahead and get started. This thing is heavy. I'm gonna pull it out. It's not too hot today, so if I can get it out there where I can see everything a little better, be pretty helpful. Let me back this thing up. There we go. There's a pretty good view of it. It's a pretty good looking bike. Oh wow, this is nice. There is a tag that tells what minimum fuel octane rating, 91, engine oil, 20 W50, spark plug type, HD6R12, and the spark plug gap, 38 thousandths. When I put it on the kickstand, it leans so far over. Feels like I'm gonna drop it. But anyways, it's not that hot out there, but it's hot enough to not want to work in it. The bike that metal heats up quickly, and that black seat heats up quickly too, so. Okay, Betty, stop messing around and get to work. Spark plugs. Okay, reach for that. I don't trust sitting under this bike. Not bad. They look like they got plenty of life left. Pretty clean. New again. Well, I got that spark plug out, might as well have a look in the cylinder. pretty good in there. I guess I should have showed you how this one looked before I start cleaning it up. It looks just as good as the other one, so no problems with that. Let's see, 38.4, 38, 39, 42. So yeah, that's good. After cleaning these, I like to spray them with the electronic cleaner just because if there's any pieces of grit or brush pieces, it gets them all out of there. So there's no foreign material when I put them back in. And with this bike, I found that wrench, this works better than a spark plug socket. It just didn't go all the way over it, and so it kept slipping off, but this I was able to get right down in there. Put it back on. Alright, now let me take the battery out so I could use it for the core. Drop anything. Alright, leave that there. Here. Alright, so let's see. Those are these. To the red. 2 to the red and 1 to the black. Run up to the store, get a new battery, and be right back. Alright, let's see here. There was 2 reds. So there's one. Here's the other one. And the black. Alright. Got the battery in. Let's turn the key and see if we can see how many miles is on this. 4,351 miles. Go. That's pretty low mileage. If that's not the trip or whatever, it's probably the miles on it. The guy said he didn't drive it too much. But I got oil too, so you can change the oil. We'll take it out and try to crank it. I'm gonna take a guess at which bolt is the oil drain plug. I see one and I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Let me show you. So that's where you put the oil in, where that silver cap is. And right there is a plug or a bolt. I laid down on the other side and I looked all under there and I do not see anything else that resembles an oil drain plug. So I'm pretty sure that's where it is. It's kind of weird that it would be just in the it's kind of weird to me. It seems like it should be at the bottom of the engine, but I guess, you know, you're not gonna drain it all out. Might not even be it. Let me just crack it and see if that's it. If it is, good, I'll drain the oil. If not, I'll search other places for it. Yep, that's the oil. That was what was on the bottom of the drain plug. Cleaned up the bolt. Let's put it back on. Torque it to 18 foot-pounds. Well, I was hoping I could, but my torque wrench don't fit in there. Darn. Now take off the oil filter, 76 millimeter. Now this is probably going to get oil everywhere. Yep. It's pouring out. Put oil on it. All right. New filter is on. Now, let's add some oil. I'm just gonna add 2 of them and then I'm gonna check the fluid level. So it's about right here. And this says side stand, and it's on the side stand. So I think I'll add a little bit more. Yep. It's to this line here, so I think that's about perfect. How about we back this thing up and crank it? It is crazy how much this thing shakes. It runs great. It's the next day, but I wouldn't fill it up with as much oil as I did, because putting on its side stand when it's running, it kind of spilled a little bit of oil out of it, and I had to use a little suction thing and pull some of the oil back out of it. But other than that, everything's great. It runs good, and it's a great bike. So tomorrow I'm gonna do a real good detail job, clean it up real good. Thank you all for watching, and have a wonderful day, and take care. Bye-bye.